Hi fellow viewers to everybody. Good morning. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, my next acronyms or abbreviations is found in Metro Manila. Yes, you heard it right. It is found in Metro Manila, and this is very common in Quezon City, Caloocan, Mandaluyong. It's a long highway, I'm gonna tell you. And it became an avenue. And if you can remember, there was a people power revolution. If you can remember, from February 22 to 25, 1986. January, I think, 17 to 20, the EDSA DOS. Then the latest, when the opposition revolt during the time of ERAP, EDSA Tres, but it was not, what they call this, it is not popular, although it was a part of Philippine history. What am I referring to? Okay, I'm referring to EDSA. EDSA. You always heard that. Parating nyo naririnig yung EDSA. Ngayon, ang tanong, ano ang ibig sabihin EDSA? Alam ko yan. Alam ko yan nasa isip ninyo. Okay, ito ang sagot ko. Ang meaning sa EDSA is, napakasimple lang. Epifanio de los Santos Avenue. EDSA. Yes. Yan po ang result. Hindi po to gawa-gawa lang or inimbento. Yan po ang resulta. EDSA finalizes, it means Epifanio de los Santos Avenue. EDSA. Kaya sakop ang Quezon City, Mandaluyong at Caloocan. Ganyang kahaba ang highway. Kaya kung mapapansin mo, di ba, meron flyover. Ayan. Ang pinakadulo dyan is ang Mandaluyong. Gitna ang Quezon City. Pinakalas sa northern part of Metro Manila, Caloocan. Yan yung EDSA Balintawak. So, yan po. So, bago ako magpaalam, I would like to inform this is a paid promotion label. Itong Reels na ito ay paid promotion label. You can share it all over Metro Manila. Alam niyo yan. Kasi doon kayo nakatira, di ba? Okay. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good morning.